How to make YouTube in Infinite Craft. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to make YouTube in Infinite Craft. Infinite Craft. It's a game where you can unleash your creativity and craft anything you can imagine by combining different elements. So to make YouTube in Infinite Craft, first combine fire and water to create steam. Add fire to steam to craft an engine. Put two engines together to build a rocket. Combine two rockets to create a satellite. Merge water with water to get a lake. Combine the lake with your satellite and witness the formation of Google. Now use earth and water to craft a plant. Introduce wind to the plant to create a dandelion. Combine two dandelions for a dandelion patch. Introduce wind to the dandelion patch to get seeds. Add fire to the seeds and watch them pop into popcorn. Combine two earth blocks to create a mountain. Merge the mountain with your popcorn to create a movie. Finally, combine the movie with your Google creation and voila! You've crafted YouTube in Infinite Craft. That's it. With these steps, you've successfully made YouTube in Infinite Craft. Remember, this is just a fun way to imagine crafting YouTube in the game. The actual crafting mechanics might be different in Infinite Craft. And this is how to make YouTube. In Infinite Craft, if you have any questions about making YouTube in Infinite Craft, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.